Hey guys, I know what you're feeling right now. The NEET PG 2025 postponement came out of nowhere, and it's frustrating, disheartening, and exhausting. You were mentally prepared, you were counting down the days, you were almost there. And now, suddenly, the finishing line just moved. Boo hoo, cry me a river. You think the guy who becomes top 100 is out here sulking just because the exam got delayed? No, he's in war mode. He's using every extra day to build an unfair advantage. Listen, this system wants weak people, soft, emotional, crying on Telegram kind of people. You're either going to be one of them or you're going to use this extra time to become a machine. Now you've got time to sharpen your recall, crush 500 PYQs a day, fix your weakest subject, and build the kind of mindset where nothing breaks you. This isn't a delay. This is a test. And most of you are failing it already, mentally. Life won't hand you things on a silver plate. Whether it's exams, money, business, or health. Winners adapt, losers complain. So here's your choice. Sit and whine like a sheep or become a wolf. Every minute someone is crying about the postponement, you are studying, you are pushing, and you are winning. And when NEET PG 2025 finally comes, you'll be too sharp, too strong, and too damn prepared to fail. That's the game. Play to win.